I'm going to review real quick the problem that I solved yesterday in class, where you have to find the end behavior of the polynomial, the turning points, and find where in what intervals from the x-axis the graph is decreasing and or increasing. So this is what we have. The function, the polynomial function is 4x to the fourth plus 6x cubed minus x. The sketch of the graph is given, and the problem, it was given as well, is this one. And I just sketch it real quick in this part, in this sketch, in this display. We're gonna find the end behavior, and we know the end behavior is how the graph is behaving at the end, at the very left and the very right of the graph. So this is up, up. We reviewed this yesterday. So it's up, up, and we also learned that you can represent it with these two arrows going up. Turning points are the points where the graph is changing directions from increasing to decreasing. So we have one turning point right here, and another turning point is, this is one, increasing to decreasing. Then from increasing to decreasing is right here. There's another one. From decreasing to increasing, and this is a third. So we have three turning points, and we find them as well. So the first turning point, with a calculator, real quick, we're gonna find them. Review, like I said, I solved this yesterday, but I'm just wanted to review it with you. So go to y, and we're going to insert in the first, in y1, 4x to the fourth. Then we have plus 6x cubed to the third power minus x. Then from here, the window that we want is, so I'm just trying to get the same, exactly the same graph, obtain the same graph. So I'm gonna go from -3, 3 on x, and from -2, 3. So from -3 to +3, scale 1, from -2 to +3, and we graph it, and we obtain the graph very similar to the one that I have in the sketch, very close to. Okay, so after you have that, we're going to trace it and go to the left of the first local minimum that we talked about that yesterday as well. This is a local minimum right there. So press second trace to calculate the minimum, which is number 3. And it's asking us, is this the left bound? We say yes. So we go to the right to find the right bound. It's asking for the right bound. Press enter, and one more time enter to get the minimum. So it's -1.07, the turning point, and round it to 2 decimal places, and y is -1.04. So let me put it right here. So -1.07 and -1.04. We'll repeat the process. For the next turning point, I want to move to this turning point right there. So trace again and move to the left of the next turning point, which is that one. I'm to the left. And I'm going to ask for the local maximum. This is a local maximum. Press enter. And then it's the left bound. Say yes by pressing enter. We're going to move to the right to find the right bound, a right bound. Press enter, and one more time to obtain the maximum, the local maximum, which is negative 0.27. You guys have this already in your notes. I'm just repeating the process just in case you needed it. And one more time, we trace it and go to the left to the next local minimum, and I'm going to ask for the local minimum, which is 3. Left bound, yes. Right bound, let's go to the right, enter, and one more time enter, and we obtain positive 0.22 and negative 0.15. In the next video, I'll show you how to find where to find the function is increasing and decreasing.